Here's FOTOR AI photo editor app, AI headshot enhanced retouch. So it's one of the top photo editors app, to be honest. So yeah, you can see it in here. Yeah, it's quite high in the charts. There are a lot of updates. There are a lot of new filters every day. So right now, for example, there is this Ghibli style, which is like this anime viral style, which is going viral on TikTok. So you can use it in this app. This app is all-in-one AI photo editing toolbox that makes your photos stand out with just a few simple steps. Whether you're an artist, photographer enthusiast, or someone who loves editing, FOTOR offers endless creativity for all your photo editing needs. In the FOTOR app, you can use the AI photo enhancer to clarify blurry photos, use magic eraser, use background remover, use AI retouch, use AI headshot. So yeah, a lot of things, and then yeah, you can just open it up. Also, you can use it on the website. And then there is a free trial here. So try for then $48 a year. So wait, I don't understand the price in here. So let's just check it out. So anyhow, that's the idea. You can then just start editing with your photos and create an account. And there are a lot of styles. So there is Ghibli world. You can see some, for example, if you see in here, you can transform your photo, for example, at this. So you can still kind of subscribe. And then, yeah, you can just add an image. So here you can just go and add an image. For example, here is just a overview, and then unfortunately you still need to upgrade in here. And yeah, as you can see, it still requires you to upgrade. So not a lot of free stuff. There are some offers, but you need to be fast. And then there are a lot of these AI tools, and then there are a lot of templates. You can create AI keys, AI hug, dance, say hi, crazy effects, all of the things, like viral styles. Then there is some AI community, people are just posting it. Then you can just sign up or log in here. And yeah, so then you have the idea. You have these kind of coins. So these are your credits, which you can just buy specifically. You can just purchase, like for example, 2,000 credits for $80. But if you subscribe to Pro, you can get them almost 2 times cheaper. And maybe you can get some additional credits for if you're doing some tasks. So if you check in now, so then you just need to sign up, and then you will have some additional credits in this app. So I don't know if they have like some kind of referral code in this app, seems no, but yeah, there you have it.